What's the secret to turning a one-time member into a lifelong advocate? Stick around to find out. Hello there, my name is Matt and welcome to the Mint Condition, the go-to destination for scaling your membership business through marketing and web development. The success of every business involves attracting new customers, but also keeping the old ones engaged and connected. Second money is always easier than first money. Let's go beyond the basics of renewals. We're breaking down how to create a loyal community that feels valued and stays excited. So buckle up as we dive into strategies that transform your members' journey from just another subscription to meaningful long-term engagement. Let's get into it and revolutionize the way we think about member loyalty. Alright, let's get straight to the core of what makes our digital world tick: member loyalty. Chances are your industry has a lot of competition, which means your customers have endless choices. Because of this, you have to stand out by creating a bond with your members that's stronger than just a username and password. You have to build a community, a family, where every member feels like they're part of something special. Think about it. Loyal members can be your brand ambassadors. They're the ones who will shout your name from the rooftops and bring others into the fold. And here's a fun fact: a mere 5% increase in customer retention can lead to a profit increase of up to 95%. If done right, this strategy will help your business thrive and make you millions. But that's the thing, you gotta do it right. So how do you make it happen? You have to listen, engage, and respond to your members. You have to make them feel heard and valued, because when people feel valued, they stick around and they invest not just their money, but their time and energy into what you're offering. That's the essence of real loyalty. So keep watching, because I'm about to break it all down further. So let's shift gears into something equally vital: revolutionizing the renewal experience. We're entering 2024 and generic doesn't cut it anymore. You have to personalize. You have to make each member feel like you're speaking directly to them. Now, not every business chooses or is required to send renewal emails. If your business doesn't, that's totally fine, and actually it's better if you don't. However, you should still be sending personalized, valuable content to your members around the time of their renewal. That way, if they're considering canceling, they are reminded of the value you provide them. Don't ever abandon your customers or your members. They are everything to your brand. For those subscription businesses that sell physical products, a renewal email is often a legal requirement. We have handled this with many of our clients. Even if it's a requirement, you have to stop sending those generic, boring reminder emails that have no value in them. These bland messages will absolutely kill your renewal rates. I have seen this time and time again. Bury your renewal notices within content emails that provide immense value and remind them why they are a member. Use your content to educate, entertain, and deepen the connection with your members. Provide them with value, highlight previous milestones or achievements, or value they have gotten while being with your business. And don't forget to tease upcoming products, features, and valuable content that they will be getting soon. When creating this content, you need to go beyond listing features and benefits. You have to connect those benefits to the transformation they'll experience because of your product or service. This does more than make customers stick around longer. It provides a unique opportunity to expand your relationship with your members. Whether or not you are sending renewal messages, you need to harness the power of targeted email campaigns. Keep your members in the loop, involved, and engaged with regular updates and personalized content. Make each email a window into the exciting world of your community. You see, when you personalize, you're not just asking members to renew, but you're inviting them to continue their unique adventure with you. You absolutely need to make them feel special and show them that their presence in your community is invaluable. This is how you turn a member into a lifelong fan and a fan into a vocal advocate for your brand. Personalization is more than a strategy, it's the future of member engagement. He's so freaking cute! Just chilling over there, eating his whatever, nuts, I don't know. He's so cute. Alright, here's your action plan. Break down your member base into distinct groups. Why? Well, because targeted communication is an absolute must. You have to tap into each member's unique needs and aspirations. This is where you turn data into gold. Understanding what drives each segment, what they crave, and what they dream of. In order to do this properly, it is vital to identify and develop a persona based on each of the main audiences your brand targets. This is where you need to step it up. Use data to empathize, not just analyze. Dive deep into the motivations and preferences of each group. Tailor your communication and services to resonate with each of your members. Remember, you're building a community, not just a customer base. Let's bring this to life with an example. Now, picture a fitness app with users from all walks of life. By segmenting them into groups like fitness enthusiasts and casual exercisers, the app can send personalized workout tips and motivational content. That's how you make every user feel like the app was made just for them. Now, let's shift gears to continuous engagement. Member loyalty isn't a once-a-year event during the holidays. It's an ongoing, vibrant journey. You need a calendar packed with diverse activities. Think special events, member spotlights, and interactive sessions that keep everyone glued and excited all year round. You can integrate this in your content calendar, turning it into more of an engagement calendar. Here's where you get creative. Implement strategies like interactive polls, member-driven content, and community challenges. Create a space where members feel they belong and are actively participating. That's the community spirit you absolutely want to foster. When crafting personalized experiences for your members, you need to exceed expectations, not just meet them. This transforms your members into passionate advocates for your community. The trick here? Adapt a mindset focused on continuous improvement, overflowing with empathy, and always ready for action. In fact, this is where you should be living your entire life. Learner's mindset, goals bigger than life, and always taking massive action. The right tools are essential for creating these unforgettable, personalized experiences. They're the secret weapon to truly understand your members and create spot-on interactions. The first type is data analytics tools. You need to use tools like Google Analytics to give you the insights to understand your members. Next, CRM systems. Systems like HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, or many others are necessary for personalizing communication, making every member feel like the star of the show. Now, for automation tools, you must utilize automation for sending out communications that are timely, relevant, and personalized. Most good CRMs have these automation tools built in, and automation can be implemented with plenty of different web tools. If you have any recommendations, leave them down in the comments. Platforms like Optimizely and Adobe Target are great tools for tailoring web experiences based on user behavior. And of course, there is AI and machine learning. You need to take advantage of AI tools to predict what your members will love next, automating their personalized interactions. There are also survey tools. Services like Gravity Forms if you're on WordPress, or hosted solutions like Typeform are crucial for gathering direct feedback from your members. There are even social media management tools. Platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social are essential for managing and personalizing interactions across your social media channels. And if you're a membership-based business, you gotta have member management software. Tools designed for membership organizations help you deliver personalized experience at every turn. One great option is MemberMouse. This is a powerful WordPress plugin for managing memberships and subscriptions, enabling highly personalized member experiences. As a verified MemberMouse implementation partner, we specialize in optimizing your platform for maximum personalization and efficiency. Let us help you leverage MemberMouse's features to create an engaging experience for every one of your members that helps your business grow. Now you can schedule a free one-on-one call with me at any time. Check the description for the link. All of the tools I've mentioned above, we personally have vetted and use on a daily basis. Stop yelling in my video, guys. Jeez. Man. With member engagement, the way you communicate is critical. Each interaction is your opportunity to inspire and uplift. By focusing on problem solving and enhancing experiences, your communication becomes a reflection of commitment and understanding. Recognize each member's individuality. This involves a proactive approach to understanding and anticipating their needs, ensuring that every message resonates with empathy and encouragement. This is what sets your communication apart. It's sincerity and warmth. Personalized rewards and recognition programs are essential in boosting member loyalty. You need to recognize members for their engagement and tailor rewards to their preferences, showing you value them beyond their subscription. You should celebrate member milestones in a personalized way through gamification within your membership site. If you've been toying around with implementing gamification or wondering how to implement it in the best way possible, let us know in the comments below and we'll create that video for you. Feedback is your ultimate weapon when it comes to personalization. It's vital for understanding what works and what doesn't, allowing for continual improvement in member experiences. Consider gathering member feedback to understand their needs and improve your services. But don't do it if you're not willing to actually adapt strategies based on this member feedback and changing their preferences. Personalization in member experiences is a dynamic and ongoing process. By using technology, crafting tailored communication, and adapting to feedback, you're creating a loyalty loop that continuously enhances member satisfaction. Next, let's focus on how you can measure the success of these personalized strategies and the impact they have on member loyalty. Stay tuned. So you've got personalized experiences. All right. So you've got your personalized experiences rolling, but now it's time to talk numbers. The metrics that really matter. You need to focus on the key performance indicators or KPIs that tell you just how satisfied and loyal your members are. First up, we have engagement metrics. You can track metrics like login frequency, participation in events, and interaction with content. These numbers are your frontline indicators of how engaged your members truly are. Now, for renewal rates, monitoring renewal rates is critical. This is your direct measure of how effective your personalized renewal strategies are. High renewal rates? You're on the right track. Net Promoter Score, or NPS, is your go-to metric for measuring member satisfaction and their likelihood of recommending your service. It's a quick, efficient way to gauge your impact. A Net Promoter Score is found by asking your members one simple question. On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to refer our membership to a friend or a colleague? Be sure to start this with 0 and not 1. You're obviously aiming for 9 or 10. The data you gather from these interactions is immensely valuable. You need to analyze it to refine your strategies, ensuring they stay relevant and valuable to your members. Understand how your members interact with your services. Tailor those experiences to fit them like a glove. By creating feedback loops, you'll be able to continuously refine and enhance your members' experience through your members' feedback. This is a never-ending cycle of improvement. Technology is your powerhouse here. It's crucial for measuring the success of your personalized member engagement strategies. Think about data analytics platforms, CRM systems, and AI-driven analysis tools as we discussed earlier. Analytics tools like Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics offer insights into member behaviors and preferences. CRM systems like ActiveCampaign and HubSpot give you a centralized view of member interactions. These tools work together to help you understand the effectiveness of your personalized strategies, ensuring you can adapt and refine your approach based on solid data-driven insights. Your ultimate goal? To create a community where members feel like they belong and are valued. This is where long-term loyalty and advocacy are born. Like we touched on earlier, foster a sense of community among members. This leads to increased loyalty and advocacy. Encourage satisfied members to share their positive experiences. This enhances your brand reputation and draws in new members. Personalized engagement means you deeply understand member needs, driving ongoing innovation and growth within the community. Measuring the success of personalized member engagement strategies is crucial. By focusing on the right metrics, leveraging technology, and adapting to member feedback, you're creating a thriving community of loyal advocates. Remember these strategies for nurturing lifelong member loyalty are a continuous journey, demanding your active engagement and creativity. Your task is to merge innovative strategies with a profound understanding of your members' needs. Cultivate a community where each member feels valued, essential, and deeply connected. Use personalized engagement tactics and back these tactics with solid data-driven insights and cutting-edge technology. This is the formula to transform your members into passionate advocates, the very heart of your community's growth and success. You need to grow and evolve alongside your members, creating an environment where loyalty and community flourish. Thank you for staying with me till the end. That's a real sign of your commitment to scaling your business. Now ask yourself, what specific personalized tactic can you implement right now to enhance member loyalty? Drop your takeaway in a comment below the like button. It really helps us spread our message to more businesses, and that's what we're all about. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to love the one on screen right now. Remember, do something extraordinary today. Set yourself apart from your competition. Believe me, no one is doing this. It's your turn. I feel like I'm yelling. Like, our neighbor's gonna be like, what the hell is that guy yelling about?